Chappy here, guys. Chappy Uncut. And today I'm thinking I'm gonna run a video here on AI filmmaking. Just my thoughts, just giving you guys an idea on what I think about the whole AI experience and people running videos. Don't. I mean, it's that simple. It really is. If you stop and just think about it for a minute, if you take AI and you let it run the show, what creativity are you adding to anything? You're not. You're really not. So pick up a pencil. Jump on your computer. You can use AI to run ideas through it and figure things out, but don't let AI run the channel. You are the channel. You need to figure out exactly what it is that you want to say, what you want to record. I swore, and I'm not going to edit it because this is an uncut. It's how it is. And you guys know that. So basically, by the way, I'm recording on the Osmo 3, the Osmo Pocket 3 for the first time. This is different. This is very cool. I like it. Back on topic. AI can be there to help you figure things out, can help you really hone in and tighten down on what it is that you want to record, what it is you want to say to people, the whole idea that you're trying to portray. Don't let it run the show, okay? So run your idea through AI, but put it through in a way that you say, like, listen, ChatGPT, Grok, whatever it is that you like to use, this is my idea. This is what I want to do. This is what I'm thinking about. What do you think? You know, what kind of things could make it a little bit better, or maybe a little more interesting, or a little bit more, I don't know, cinematic, or whatever you want to look at, but don't let it run the show. Period. That is my main goal today to instill into you guys, is to just make sure you understand that do not let it run the show. You run the show. This is your channel. These are your ideas, right? So don't play on AI and just let it do everything, including the voice and the imagery and everything else. Put yourself on camera. I know it can be scary. I do. I get it. But I don't know. Toughen up. Smarten up. Step up. Whatever weird little aneurysm I need to tell you, weird meme or whatever you got to see, take the chance and just step in. Who cares what other people think? Okay, so AI is a tool that can be used to help you really hone in on things, but don't let it run the show. All right? That's how I feel. So do what I do. Let it use your transcript to give you the descriptions. Let it use your transcript to give you SEO, tags, and a title even. But tell it to give you options so that you can go through it and you can read what it thinks and either pick one of those or take a couple of them or some ideas and actually build it into the way you feel it and make it your voice, make it your decision. It really needs to come down to that. It has to be your decision. Don't allow it to run the show. All right, guys, take it easy. Okay, Chappy Uncut again with my small channel, with my 2 subscribers. 2. How's it going, guys? You want to know who they are? It's my girlfriend and me. That's who my 2 subscribers are. And I'm okay with that. So far, this is practice. This is enjoyment. This is me learning how to make this all happen. And with the Osmo 3, by the way, if you don't have one of these, my God, pick one up. This is cat's ass. I love this. This is wonderful. So you guys, get out there. If you don't have the money for an Osmo 3, you're not sure yet, use your phone. Just get out there and create. Make some content. Have fun with it, okay? You got this. Take care of yourselves. I'm out. Love you guys. Bye now.